In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a quality assurance job on LinkedIn in just 5 minutes. Finding a job in QA is an exciting opportunity to ensure the quality and reliability of products, and LinkedIn is a fantastic tool to help you land that perfect role. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and head over to LinkedIn at linkedin.com. If you are not logged in yet, you'll need to sign in. You can do this quickly by either using your Google or Microsoft account, or if you prefer, simply use your email address and password. LinkedIn is a professional networking site, so having your login information handy is essential for accessing the full suite of tools they offer. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might need you to verify your identity. Don't be surprised if a code is sent to your phone for confirmation. It's just an extra layer of security to protect your account. Once you're logged in and ready to go, navigate to the LinkedIn Jobs section. You can usually find this in the main navigation bar. This area of the site is your gateway to hundreds of thousands of job listings. Now that you're in the Jobs section, you'll want to make the most out of LinkedIn's powerful search capabilities. Start by typing in keywords related to quality assurance roles. This could be broad terms like quality assurance, QA tester, software tester, or QA engineer. Each title might bring slightly different roles, so think about the type of position that matches your skills and career goals. Looking for something more specific? Try searching for terms like manual QA, automation QA, or QA analyst to hone in on positions that align with your particular expertise. The next crucial step is to specify your desired location. Decide if you're interested in a particular city, region, or if you're open to remote work. This helps tailor the job listings to what's realistic for you. Once you've entered your search parameters, it's time to refine your results further by filtering based on experience level. Are you looking for an entry-level position, or are you more suited for a mid-senior role? Adjust these settings to find roles that match your experience. Similarly, you can filter by job type. Whether you're after full-time, part-time, contract, or even internship opportunities, define what works best for your current situation and career goals. After you have customized your search, take advantage of LinkedIn's job alert feature. By setting up a job alert, LinkedIn can notify you whenever new QA jobs that meet your criteria are posted. This ensures you won't miss out on any potential opportunities. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to using LinkedIn to find your next QA job. With these tips, you're well equipped to discover roles that align with your goals and expertise. Good luck and happy job hunting.